out here. Our friends over at HSU GoPro accessories, or action camera accessories, sent us a little care bundle to review. They saw our YouTube channel, they saw the type of videos we did, and figured they could help us out and send us some product that we might be able to use while we're out riding, because it's always difficult to hold a camera and turn a throttle and hold a clutch. So it's like you need a third arm. So they sent us some accessories, and we're going to do a quick unboxing. Obviously down the road we're going to do a full review of the products when we're using them, but I figured today we could just do a quick unboxing and see what we got. If I know how to use a knife.
Just cut away.
Always cut together. All right, so first things first, this is pretty cool. We got a dog harness mount. Oh, look at that. You can put the GoPro on the bottom or the top of the dog. That's pretty cool. Pretty wild, actually. I've seen a lot of these online where it's just the top, but that's pretty unique that they give you one on the bottom.
Yeah.
You could probably make a cool video if you're an animal lover or dog lover. See what your dog sees running around the yard or the house. We're definitely going to try this out because all three amigos have dogs, so we're definitely going to throw that on. We got some GoPro mounts. This looks like your standard 90, and then your standard mount.
Looks like pretty good quality.
Yeah. Got another box here. This is the one I think we all want to try. So this, yep. So this is their aluminum anodized arm kit. So these will be able to get the shots of us.
Are they light?
Oh, that weighs not. This one right here may be just as light as this. That's wild. You can tell how strong that is, being
all aluminum.
All aluminum, anodized, and you get 3 different lengths with anodized screws. What's this? We'll have to look up what this is.
That's a wrench.
Oh, that's to tighten it down. That's nice.
If you get too tight.
Or if it's in a spot where you can't get your fingers in.
Yeah.
Sometimes with the GoPros, they're so short, your fingers can't twist them and get them tight. But look at that.
That's
3 different
handy.
lengths. What do you think that is? 2, 3 inches?
6.
That's what you tell everyone, huh? This
What is
one's
here?
6. It looks like there's some gaskets. They must, if I had to guess, they probably go on the end of here so they don't loosen up.
Oh, yeah.
Before you screw them in. This one's going to be real nice too.
Oh, yeah. Get all the angles.
All the angles. Could you see this off the top of my helmet? Bird's eye view.
Yes.
That's pretty cool. You got to check that out. And what I
That's
noticed
cool. I'm gonna put that on handlebars.
on this one, what I just noticed is, actually I think on this one too, they have mounting.
Oh, you can put them in the middle.
You can
and
mount
do
them
different
sideways,
things with
yeah. And this one has one here and one up here.
them. Oh, that's actually really nice.
Oh, they even
quality.
have one on the smaller one too. That's pretty
That's
cool.
cool.
And it even tells you where to put the pin.
Nice.
So we just want to do a quick unboxing. Thank the people from HSU for sending this out to us. We're obviously going to do a full review of this down the road, but we wanted to open it up because we were eager because it just came in today. So we're going to set up some funky configuration of a view. Maybe we got enough arms here, we could do something wild where we come off the helmet right back at our face, probably hit a tree, but we'll try it. But yeah, we'll let you know. But I can already tell that these are pretty high quality, especially being metal. But a full review to follow.
So, I've had this HSU chin mount for about a month and a half now, and it is the best chin mount they make for the money you can buy. HSU I think it's like $12. Really simple to use. It comes with different arms, different extensions. The best thing I like about it, right on the inside, there's 2 little clips. Clip, another clip, and it comes right off. Real good quality rubber, so it doesn't scratch your helmet. It's got these little buckles right here, and you just loosen them up so you can plug them in, and then once it's on the back of the helmet, you just give it a tug and it tightens right down on your chin mount. So I had a chin mount brand, the glue-on 3M tape, and that I left with to go to Sturgis with that on, and it broke three-quarters of the way through the trip. It just fell off. And I even tried super gluing it on, and it still broke right off. I had an old one of these that was a really cheap brand. It was like $3 on Amazon, and it kept loosening up and flopping all over the place. This one stays tight. It's way better quality. Comes with these really nice arms. Devin's got another one here. He bought one because I liked it so much. He tried it. They really are great. You just snap them right in. Good to go. And get all that vlog footage of you riding your motorcycle, riding your horse, fishing. No, you don't fish with the helmet on. How about skiing? You could use this skiing. Maybe I should fish with the helmet on. But either way, just wanted to give a little review about the HSU chin mount. Super easy to put on. It has been the best, easiest chin mount I've used. I think Devin used a couple of the stick-on ones, and I think his ended up maybe even falling off. But all in all, just a great product. It's nice to be able to remove it and not have to glue anything to your helmet. Now it's on there, it's loose. You take your straps and you pull them, and that thing is not going anywhere. It is rock solid. I trust it. With my $500 GoPro, it's not going anywhere. Not like the glued ones. Anyways, if you want one of these, hit up HSU's website. Use promo code 3amigos at checkout for 10% off your order. And so anyways, guys, we got a couple of our HSU products here. And coming up this weekend, we're going to do a little filming with this bad setup just to get some different angles. You got these really nice billet anodized thumb screws. Come with a little wrench so you can really crank them down, because with the arms, you get more leverage. So you just crank them on down. Got your GoPro up on the top. Real nice quality stuff. Haven't had any complaints so far. So there's just a few of our HSU products that we have. We'll show you more coming up right after this. Don't forget to use the link down below for 10% off your order. Promo code 3amigos motorsports. Film and ride safe.
All right, guys, I thought I'd give my 2 cents on the products I've been using. I actually have had this case for a year. I bought it before they reached out to us. I think I got it on Amazon for right around $20. This has been great. You know, customizable cutouts for all your stuff. My GoPro sits right in here with the media mod on, my charger. I mean, there's a lot of stuff actually packed in here. Like I said, customizable for a layout. I like that it's hard, that it's, you know, durable, but it's not a hard plastic case, so it doesn't chew up the inside of my saddlebags when it vibrates. So as simple as it is, that's a great product there. We haven't used this thing. It's got like a butterfly helmet mount, but it's got a lot of sticky surface, so it'd be good for something. The other thing we picked up is these pack of screen protectors. Both Graham and I actually bought these with our own money because, you know, when your GoPro's out there, it's seeing all the elements you do riding, so eventually just bugs and stuff and grit. It's just like one of the screen protectors you'd put on your cell phone where you lay it on with the hard plastic. I think the kit was $9. It comes with 3 sets. Clear instructions, cleaning wipes, alcohol pads, you know, the whole 9. You know, something to get all the lint off, and it covers all 3 screens on your GoPro. So every once in a while you can change out your screen protector. The billet screw sets I like. I mean, my favorite color is red, so this has been helpful. I was actually using this on the chin mount initially. So these arms at first I'm like, oh, we'll have to do something cool with them, but for the money, they're just great to have in your gear setup. We put them in our shared setup, and just every once in a while, you grab one to make the camera a little taller, a little wider. You know, if you saw the footage of my dog running around here, I needed a little height to get the GoPro up over his head, so I use this 6-inch one right here. So super versatile with these. So for the helmet setup, I'm running the same chin mount you already saw. I'm glad I purchased one. I had originally bought these custom molded ones, which do work all right, but they scare me. Like when it's hot out, this, you know, the 3M tape starts to get a little rubbery, and it just scares me. So if that snaps off, you know, you're done. There's your GoPro bouncing down the highway. At least this, it may come loose once in a while, but all you gotta do is cinch it up. You're not losing both straps. A lot of versatility because you can slide it up and down. The only other thing I found was I wanted to use my nice billet screws, but I need one a little longer. You need the special GoPro screw because the head doesn't clear the media mod, but you need the longer GoPro one anyway. But otherwise, with just the camera, it clears just fine. You know, like I said, the billet screws really give you some extra grip on your fingers to tighten them down, plus the little wrench to make sure things aren't moving. So this is probably our #1 used accessory that they sent us, because every video you've watched for this entire season has been filmed from our helmet on one of these, unless it's a top shot. So they work great. You can't go wrong. And we're gonna go capture some more shots. And yeah. Finished up our scene. Graham's using the little 6-inch arm here, which that's a perfect setup for like vlogging or whatever, because you know it's got,
yeah, nice and sturdy. The only flimsy part is my dashboard, but other than that thing's pretty sweet.
So I mean, it's nice and adjustable. You can stand it up. You can flip it around kind of like a dash cam point of view or rider point of view. You just set up your new helmet, didn't you?
Yeah, I got this helmet yesterday. I was a little worried about the mount because on my other helmet it straps right in the center. This is a modular. If you flip it upside down, she works perfect. It was almost like it was designed that way.
Nice. So we've been enjoying our products. I hope you guys, you know, if you need something, go over, hit the link in our bio, the link in this video, HSU accessories, GoPro accessories and action cam. Make sure you use code 3amigos. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.
Ride safe.